My name is John Christian Wedell. I'm from Canada. I came here wanting a hair transplant because I have had very thick hair in the past, and since like 22, my hair started getting a little bit thinner around the sides here, so I wanted to go get it done and buy the best place ever. My whole family's always had pretty thick hair, but for some reason, I noticed that my hair was thinning around the sides here, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna see if I can get a hair transplant done. So I looked at a bunch of different places. I found a really good place in Brazil, and I was like, yeah, I don't really want to go to Brazil necessarily. And then when I found you guys, I was like, all right, I think the results are better here. So I'm like, I'll go to Turkey. My buddy actually made me buzz my head like 3 months ago because I kept trying to like cover it up and I couldn't do anything with it. And he's just like, bro, just buzz it. He goes, it's a lot easier. I'm like, okay, let's do it. So we went right down to the scalp. And I was like, yeah, you know what? I think I want a hair transplant. I found you guys, I think through YouTube, through like YouTube videos and looking at a bunch of different shorts about hair transplants. And I like the way that you guys did the style, and I like the density of some of the procedures you guys could do. So that's why I picked here. He asked me if I wanted a straight line or if I wanted something a little bit more complex, I guess. Like I wanted something that looked kind of like my hairline beforehand. So this looks basically the same way. And I even said, I was like, okay, I want it to be like symmetrical. So they made it, I mean, as symmetrical as possible. The actual procedure wasn't painful, to be honest. I kind of thought it was gonna be worse. You definitely feel a little bit more on the front side. But if you're afraid of that, then I wouldn't be scared. It's not that bad. No message. I think you guys are fantastic, super nice, super outgoing, and they're open to everything. You can ask them anything. You can say whatever you feel like. If you're not comfortable with something, go ahead and say it, because you know this is a permanent hair transplant, and if you're gonna do it, might as well do it at a really good place. You know, for somebody that wants to get a hair transplant, honestly, I think you should just do it. It's worth it. You're gonna spend the money, and it's forever. So if you're gonna spend the money, you might as well go to somewhere that's like really good instead of I guess beating around the bush and going to somewhere a little bit cheaper.